To share data from your mobile device to Windows, there are several ways you can do it. Here are a few options. Number one option is USB cable. Connect your mobile device to your Windows computer using USB cable. Once connected, select the file transfer or transfer file option on your mobile device. And then access your device storage from your computer to copy and paste the file you want to share. Option 2. Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on both your mobile device and Windows computer. Pair the device, and then you can transfer file between two devices wirelessly. Option 3. CUD storage. You can use CUD storage service such as Google Drive, Dropbox or OneDrive to upload files from your mobile device and then access those files on your Windows computer. Option 4. Email. You can email files to yourself from your mobile device and then download those files on your Windows computer. There are just few options for sharing data mobile device to Windows. You can choose the one that best fits your needs and preference.